guys do diamond crystal salt?
No.
I don't think I've ever tasted a morel before.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. You're very welcome. It smells so good. I love the soda. Yeah. Oh yeah. On those cards. Okay. Make it yourself at home. Perfect. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Don't touch it, folks. Don't touch it, folks.
That's good.
It does smell so good.
Might as well use them all up, right?
Of course.
Put them there, didn't you?
The more the better.
Right, that's what I was thinking.
It's just about ready.
So what do you look for in the risotto that tells you,
You can help me.
oh boy,
So it should just be a little crunchy.
Wow, that looks so cool, Paige.
yep, a little crunchy. The flavor is
So I
very
would
good.
normally right now, I would take that off and put it on a sheet pan and cool it, and then just reheat it. So you could kind of cheat at home and just do it this part, even if you did it like regular rice, and then stir the last little bit. That's what you see Gordon Ramsay yelling at him. Because you want it crunchy when you start, and then when you reheat it, serve it, then it'll be soft.
Okay.
That's, she asks about it every time it comes.
Thick nose.
Oh, yum. Even better.
Thank you. Here, come on, Paige.
Everything tastes
Hold on,
better
let me
with
get the
cheese.
Would you guys like wine or vinegar? Wine all right?
Wine's good.
Might have some of that. I wasn't going to bring it. I haven't cooked with it a lot lately because I don't think we need to. So many young chefs think they have to have it, you know. But there's so many better ways to add just a little acid, different vinegars, lemon juice.
Now, if you didn't have portobello mushrooms for this recipe, what would you recommend?
I have morels right there.
Or morels, I'm
I
sorry.
add portobellos to it too. Do that.
No, I said it wrong.
Any Michigan mushroom would be great.
Okay.
Because it's Michigan Booth, right? And let's see if I get about 10 minutes.
Boy, this would be like a full meal.
I don't know if I'll be able to fit this in the cups I got.
We were trying to do it yesterday. I looked at the other kids with paint. I'm like, oh man, that's good.
Try to season everything, and then I like diamond crystal salt because it's so big. you can see it. It's not like fine, so you're not adding too much salt. We get all of our salt when we eat out fast food. We have to add some here so it tastes good. But we should. Was this salty or no? 'Cause I added all
No,
that
I thought it
cheese and
was.
stuff.
It's a good
It's not bad.
good amount.
Just get that meat hot and then figure out how to serve this.
Yeah, yeah. Probably got a little tank maybe. So.
Oh, thank you.
No, I'm gonna get this.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
You want the dinosaur plate?
Risotto. We have forks for this or this?
Thank you.